Our bodies are incredible machines. They are complex and truly fascinating. Understanding how our bodies work is important. This knowledge helps us stay healthy. Stay tuned to learn how to keep your body healthy and strong. Join us on this wellness journey to unlock the secrets of a healthy body. The endocrine system is all about balance. It is a network of glands that produce and release hormones directly into the bloodstream. These hormones regulate many of the body's functions, including growth, metabolism, and mood. It uses hormones to send messages. These messages are crucial for maintaining homeostasis, which is the body's way of keeping its internal environment stable and balanced. These chemical messengers travel through the bloodstream. They reach various organs and tissues, instructing them on how to function properly. They tell different parts of the body what to do. For instance, they can signal the liver to release stored glucose or instruct the kidneys to conserve water. The thyroid, for example, regulates metabolism. It produces hormones that control the speed at which the body uses energy. This affects how our bodies use energy. A well-functioning thyroid ensures that we have the right amount of energy for daily activities. The pancreas controls blood sugar with insulin. Insulin helps cells absorb glucose, which is used for energy. Keeping our hormones balanced is crucial for overall health. Imbalances can lead to various health issues such as diabetes, thyroid disorders, and mood swings. We can support our endocrine systems through healthy habits. Eating nutrient-rich foods, staying active, and managing stress are key. Eating a balanced diet is important. Regular exercise also helps. Managing stress is crucial. These practices help maintain hormonal balance and overall well-being. When our hormones are in harmony, we feel our best. A balanced endocrine system contributes to a healthier, happier life. Every breath we take is a gift. It's a process we often take for granted, but it's essential for our survival. Our respiratory system makes life possible. It allows us to inhale oxygen, which our cells need to function, and exhale carbon dioxide, a waste product. It brings oxygen into our bodies, it removes carbon dioxide. This exchange happens in the lungs, which are vital organs in our respiratory system. The lungs are the stars of this system. They contain tiny air sacs called alveoli where the gas exchange occurs. We can protect our respiratory systems with simple steps. Wearing masks in polluted areas and maintaining good hygiene are crucial. Avoid smoking and secondhand smoke. Wash your hands frequently to prevent infections that can harm your lungs. Stay active to strengthen your lungs. Regular exercise helps improve lung capacity and overall respiratory health. Breathing is essential, so let's take care of the system that makes it possible. By understanding and protecting our respiratory system, we ensure a healthier life. Section 4. The body's highway, the cardiovascular system. Just like a bustling highway, our cardiovascular system is constantly at work, ensuring that every cell in our body gets the nutrients and oxygen it needs to function properly. The cardiovascular system is our internal transportation network. It consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood, all working together to keep us alive and healthy. The heart is the powerful pump. It beats tirelessly day and night to push blood throughout our body. It pushes blood through the blood vessels. These vessels form an extensive network that reaches every part of our body. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart. This oxygen is crucial for our cells to produce energy. Veins return blood to the heart. This blood is then sent to the lungs to be reoxygenated. Maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system is vital. Regular physical activity and a balanced diet play a significant role in keeping our heart and blood vessels in good condition. Heart disease is a leading cause of death. It can result from various factors, including poor lifestyle choices and genetic predisposition. We can reduce our risk through lifestyle choices. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can significantly lower our chances of developing heart disease. Eating a heart-healthy diet is key. Avoiding processed foods and limiting salt and sugar intake can make a big difference. Regular exercise strengthens the heart muscle. Activities like running, swimming, and cycling are excellent for cardiovascular health. Section 5. The body's control center, the nervous system. The nervous system is our body's command center. The brain is the boss. The spinal cord is like a highway for nerve signals. Nerves carry messages throughout the body. The nervous system controls our senses. It allows us to think, learn, and feel. Protecting our nervous system is crucial. Wearing helmets during activities like biking is important. Section 6. Guardians of health, the immune system. The immune system is our defense force. It protects us from germs and illness. White blood cells are like soldiers. They attack and destroy invaders. We can strengthen our immune systems. A healthy diet is essential. Getting enough sleep is also important. Vaccinations train our immune systems to fight specific diseases. Section 7. Your health, your power, a call to action. Understanding our bodies is powerful. Knowledge is the first step toward wellness. By making healthy choices, we support our vital systems. We become champions for our health. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Eat a balanced diet, get moving every day. Manage stress, prioritize sleep. These simple steps contribute to a healthier, happier you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the knowledge.